is Make in India. What is Make in India? The campaign Make in India is aimed at making India a manufacturing hub and economic transformation in India while eliminating the unnecessary laws and regulations, making bureaucratic processes easier and shorter, and make government more transparent, responsive, and accountable. Why Make in India? First point, to create growth in industrial sector, to raise the contribution of industrial sector in nation's GDP, to gain the trust of investors across the globe. The initiatives is built on 4 pillars, that is, new processes, new infrastructure, new sectors, and the new mindset. The key features of the program are as follows. First point, facilitate foreign direct investment and production of goods in India and the foreign companies in India. Second point, increased demand for employment in various sectors. Third point, attract foreign currency to be invested in the Indian industrial sectors. Fourth point, create a demand of skilled people in specific sectors. The last point, it aims to ease doing businesses in India. It has far more potential to take India ahead of the present ranking. Here are the top companies which take part in this campaign. The first is Honda. The second is Vodafone. Here comes the third, Reliance Digital. And the last, the Tata Group of Industries. The benefits of Make in India scheme are as follows. FDI means First Development in India. Around 1,25,000 new jobs born in 1 year. High-tech technology comes to India. Here are the 25 sectors that make in India. Sectors under Make in India scheme are automobile and automobile components, mining, aviation, oil and gases, biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, chemicals and petrochemicals, ports and shipping, construction, railways, defense, renewable energy, electrical machinery, roads and highways, electrical system, space, food processing, textiles and garments, IT and BPM, thermal power, leather, tourism and hospitality, media and entertainment, and the last, wellness. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched this scheme. From automobile to agro products, from television to telecom, from papers to power plants, from hardware to software, from roads to bridges, from friendships to partnerships, and from satellites to submarines.